Where's your reverse camera, dude?
There isn't one.
Am I good? All that money for what? All right, we got the world's loudest horn on the roof of this Bugatti. But Steve has the remote. He's driving my car.
Farting in the Bugatti.
Oops. Dude, it's pretty loud.
Bro.
Yeah, we look like assholes in this, huh?
Yeah.
So ignorant.
The Bugatti just makes it so much